Namaste, everyone, and welcome to Yin Yoga with Matt. So today I'm just offering you a quick 15-minute Yin Yoga routine that's going to be just simple and efficient. And there is nothing really to think about today other than diving into this beautiful morning session with me and just working on loosening up our tight areas. So without any further ado, let's jump into this morning routine together. And all you will be needing for today is your yoga mat. So we're going to start with a toe squat. So coming on to our knees, with our toes tucked, we're going to sit on our heels. And this might be a little intense in the morning, depending on how you feel. But it is really great to loosen up the ankles. If you find that this is too much, you can always lean forward a little bit, relieving some of the pressure. Or you can sit right on your heels, embracing the stretch that it provides. So just sunbathing into this beautiful vitamin D feels really great today. And from here, we're just going to be working on stretching out our forearms and wrists a little bit. So bringing that right arm in front of us while we're doing this toe squat, we're just going to grab our fingers, pointing our thumb down, keeping our shoulder blades back and down, just stretching the right wrist and forearm, focusing on your breath. There's a beautiful breeze today of the wind. It's quite amazing. Thanks for joining me on the mat. And from here, we can release the right wrist and then working on the left forearm, the left wrist, bringing that arm in front of us, grabbing our fingers with the right hand and pulling it back, lowering down our shoulder blade. And then just refocusing on our breath. So sometimes just doing the Yin Yoga practice with simplicity is the best way to go about it. And we can slowly release that left wrist. I'm going to invite you to move forward onto your knees, untucking your toes. We're going to be going into thread the needle, just opening up our upper back. So from here, I'm going to invite you to just walk your hands forward a little bit. And then we're going to take one big inhale, raising the right arm up in the air. And exhale, we're going to scoop it around and underneath that left arm, coming all the way down to the side of our head. Trying to keep our hips and knees in line. And then you can extend the left arm in front of you for support. So we're working on putting all of our upper body weight on the right shoulder. And on your next exhale, you can push through the left hand, raising your upper body and untucking that right arm. And from here, you might want to just move your hips left to right. Just kind of do what feels good for your spine today. And from here, we're going to take one big inhale, raising the left arm in the air. Exhale, scoop it underneath the right one. Keep your hips in line with your knees. Lower yourself down to the left side of your head. And then you can bring that right arm in front of you for support. So going into thread the needle. And on your next exhale, you can push through that right arm, raising your upper body to create enough space to bring that left arm back in. So from here, bring your knees to the middle of your mat. I'm going to invite you to just bring the left shin in a 90-degree angle towards the front of your mat. And then the right shin will go along the long edge of your mat. And then we're going to keep a 90-degree angle here as well. So 90-degree angle to the left leg, and then 90-degree angle towards the back of the mat with the right leg. So from here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the external rotation of our hip. So what you want to do is move that right hip around and down like I'm doing, and then leaning back with your arms until you have enough of a sensation here. So this might be enough for you, or you might be going even further back. So this should feel quite intense, but really good at the same time. And then you can close your eyes and just embrace the beautiful power of nature. The sunshine on my face. And from here, we can slowly release, moving our hips forward. And now we're just going to go into half shoelace position. So keeping the left leg straight in front of us, we're going to cross the right leg over and then bringing that right heel along the side of our left thigh. And from here, we're going to take one big inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to walk our fingertips forward. So you should already feel a stretch in your calf, the back of your left leg. For those of you, this might be enough of a sensation, or you can walk your fingertips even more forward to deepen the sensations of this asana. So you can slowly start to walk your fingertips back, raising your upper torso, and then uncrossing your right leg. You can wiggle them a little bit if that feels good for you. So now from here, we're going to roll on our right hip, bringing that right leg to a 90-degree angle towards the front of the mat. And we're going to bring the left leg to a 90-degree angle towards the left long side of our mat. And we're going to do exactly the same thing when we're going to try to rotate our hip around and back on the left side. So I'm just going to do that right now. And then leaning back on your arms, finding stillness and reconnecting with your breath. So on your next exhale, you can move your upper body forward, releasing the left leg. And we're going to do half shoelace on the other side this time. So with our right leg straight in front of us, we're just going to cross the left leg over and bringing that left heel close to the right thigh. So from here, one big inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to walk our fingertips forward, finding our edge, and then holding stillness. So we can slowly walk our fingertips back, raising our upper torso and uncrossing our legs. And I'm going to turn around to face you, inviting you to take a comfortable seated position. So we're just going to bring our hands at our heart, sitting up straight. And we're going to be focusing on taking a few deep breaths. So big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. And the last one. So you can open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed today's Yin Yoga class with me. This was just a short and simple morning session to leave you feeling amazing. So thanks for joining me on the mat. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. It's a great way to support me. You can share the class with your friends and family members, or you can even donate to my PayPal account. So until next time, yogis, hands at the heart, namaste. Have a beautiful day. Bye.